Tomorrow, the U.S. Supreme Court will take up its most important abortion rights case in 30 years. The state of Mississippi is asking the justices to overturn Roe v. Wade and end constitutional protections for women who want to end a pregnancy. It comes as the court has still not ruled on Texas's 6-week abortion ban, which has now been in effect for nearly 3 months. ABC's Devin Dwyer takes a closer look at what the court will consider.
At the Supreme Court this week, Roe v. Wade is on the line.
This is the most important Supreme Court case on abortion since Roe in 1973, and I don't think it's particularly close.
The state of Mississippi is asking the court's 6-3 conservative majority to overturn Roe as wrongly decided and uphold a state ban on most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy.
This case is about the rule of law. It's about the ability of the people through their elected leaders to decide hard things for themselves.
The Supreme Court has never allowed state abortion bans before a fetus is viable outside the womb, or before roughly 24 weeks. It's a precedent the court has affirmed repeatedly.
Going back almost 50 years, the court has said pre-viability, a state can't deny ultimately the decision to end a pregnancy.
But now the justices faced a stark and significant choice: strike down the Mississippi laws against precedent or uphold it and overturn Roe.
It seems to me a vanishingly slim chance that the court will strike down the Mississippi law. The court might say, we are not finding that there is no constitutional protection for abortion, only that these earlier decisions didn't give sufficient weight to other kinds of state interests.
A majority of Americans want Roe v. Wade to stand. 3 in 4 say the choice to have an abortion should be left to a woman and her doctor.
This is your grandbaby. How can you do this to your grandchild?
Love your wife.
At Mississippi's only remaining abortion clinic, Jackson Women's Health, we saw women from across the South seeking out care.
Right here.
One patient telling us no woman wants an abortion, but that having the choice is critical.
I do have other children, but I've also lost a child. And so having a child pass away of health issues, you don't want to bring it. You're scared. And it's just not something that my husband and I are ready for. We're just not ready yet.
Mississippi and 25 other states are expected to ban or severely restrict abortion if the Supreme Court overturns Roe.
I think this is the time.
It's 6 conservatives now.
Yes. We're praying that they'll be bold enough and strong enough to take a stance in for the right side.
Meanwhile, despite an expedited hearing, still no decision from the court on Texas's ban on most abortions starting in about 6 weeks, SB 8.
We're waiting on tenterhooks to hear from the court.
As women in the nation's second most populous state have been without access to full abortion care for 3 months.
This delay, I think, makes it less and less likely that the court is going to speak in kind of a clear and emphatic way to strike down what Texas has done.
A sharply divided court on the precipice of transforming abortion rights in America, with decisions in the cases expected by next spring. For ABC News, I'm Devin Dwyer in Washington.
Monumental decisions there are. Thanks to Devin for that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.